What's up guys, I'm JD from Affinity Collective and I've spent all my money again. Yes, never worry, we're always going to have cool products on this channel to review because I spent all my money on tech here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Gigabyte 970 Windforce edition and how it stacks up against the competition.
Starting with what everyone loves, we've got performance. The 970 Windforce boasts a base clock of 1114 MHz while boosting to 1253 MHz with GPU boost. The memory clock is running at 7 GB per second with the 4 GB of GDDR5 memory running on a 256-bit memory interface. Gigabyte's 970 Windforce edition card sports its custom air cooling design dubbed, you guessed it, Windforce cooling. This system features 3 small fans cooling the large extended heatsink that reaches out past the PCB itself. At 12.2 inches in length and 5.08 inches in height, be mindful of compatibility in your case. The back of the card sports a total of 6 input ports, including a DVI, DVI-D, HDMI, and 3 display ports. These pair with Gigabyte's Flex Display technology, which automatically detects different displays for multi-display gaming. To power everything, you will need at least a 550 watt power supply with a 6 and 8 pin connector. On the top of the card rests the Windforce logo coming out over the heatsink. The overall feel of the product is actually somewhat flimsy to me. The plastic along the top and bottom of the card bends when you go to pick it up, making it feel as if it would break if too much pressure was put on it. This is very evident when you go to push the card into the PCIe lane during installation. Luckily, this has nothing to do with the performance of this card. When it comes to performance of this card, don't expect to play games at 4K. This is a card targeted for the 1080 to 1440p range. Like most cards these days, it crushes games at 1080p and performs very well for gaming at 1440. The Windforce 970 turned out to be an excellent overclocking card, allowing me to add 200 MHz to the core clock with the GPU boost going up to 1453 MHz. This was without changing any voltage settings. In terms of temperatures, the Windforce design kept everything under 65 degrees Celsius the entire time. All this said gives reason to why the 970 is the most popular card on Steam's hardware survey at the time of this video.
The Gigabyte 970 may not break performance records, but it is an excellent card for the money. You can play games at up to 1440p for under $350, which is amazing. However, if you're looking to get into 4K gaming, I suggest getting a 980 or above from Nvidia, or something in the Fury lineup from AMD. Make sure to drop a like to find out what the heck RAID is in a future video, and leave us a comment below on your thoughts for AMD versus Nvidia GPUs for gaming. As always, hope to see you guys next time.